Hello people, we're here now in Bootle. We've just been into the Magistrate's court with Michael Henry. What happened in the court, Michael?
Well, I was stopped some time ago I went through a red light, and I wasn't driving. I was collecting my daughter. I wasn't in commerce, and as we all know, the establishments have got themselves involved in a bit of genocide and treason. So I chose not to contact with him. So then he claimed I smelled of alcohol, and my eyes were glazed. So he said, do you want to take a test? I said, I'm obliged to. He said, yes. I said, no, I'm not. I was travelling under my constitutional rights. So he's claiming I was driving, and I wasn't in commerce. I was collecting my daughter from a dance class. So I went into court, and I didn't take the name. It's a crime to take the commercial name because it's crown property. So I asked several times for my right to subrogation, and he just kept ignoring me. So he's charged me with guilty, but it's parity because I don't want to take the name. I don't want to be associated with any organisations that are involved in treason and genocide. So he's compelling me to be a party to treason and genocide, which it's absolutely disgusting. I don't want no part of it. And the government, as we know, the government's been in treason since 1973. So he's making me an accessory to treason by putting me under parity. But as I say, the sentencing is next month. But he's denied me my right to subrogation, which I'll have to investigate that further. Maybe trust fraud, which is a bad crime. But as I say, with them being involved in treason and genocide, I don't think they're going to be scared of a little bit of fraud, you know.
Yeah.
So that's where we're at. But it just seems like pure tyranny. I told him I didn't consent to the jurisdiction of the court, and he just carried on regardless.
Right. So what? We're just waiting for the next hearing now.
Yeah, I'm just going to do a bit of research and see what happens. And obviously I'll appeal it because I wasn't in commerce. He's made a claim I was in commerce. The very term driving in Black's Law is someone who's employed. Now I resigned from the Crown Corporation in disgust in 2022. So I don't know where, you know, it appears there's no law. You know, he's denying me rights there. So yeah. They're just after the trust funds, aren't they? But I didn't consent.
Nice one. Yeah, so we'll just wait till the case then now, eh?
Yeah, 31st of March.
Nice one.
Sentence for alleged drink driving. But the actual charge sheet said there's insufficient evidence to envisage a successful prosecution. So it's just like the judge just doing what he wants.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Right, thanks, Michael.
Yeah.
We'll see you there.
I don't know what I'm going to do. I mean, obviously, the Crown own the surname, so I don't know whether to put a notice of decision on the driver's license because I don't want to be associated with these criminals. You know, they're killing my people.
Yeah. Thanks
and
a lot.
I had a court case earlier, and I didn't give joinder. I didn't want to take the name, and he said I wasn't in court. But obviously, it's a crime to use. It's a crime to identify as a Crown copyright birth certificate. And there's no law to say that whoever presents the birth certificate is that entity. It's a commercial entity. You put joined to your surname and your first name. That's why they're in different grammar. Yeah. But you can't. You don't want to let go of the fraud.
Yeah.
But I think justice is coming. I believe Nissi Prius court have just been outlawed in America, and hopefully will follow suit. Hopefully before the 31st of March. But you know, you put the evidence in the court and he just ignored it anyway. I filed several documents into the court here with case law, and I read the case law out about a warrant. Now there's never been an author of the warrant, which it's a breach of case law in R. Clark v McDade in 2008 in the UK House of Lords, which is a higher jurisdiction than these courts. They confirmed that there is no valid trial if the bill indictment has not been signed by an appropriate officer of the court, because Parliament intended that the indictment be signed by a proper officer of the court. So without that results in a void order, which is a fundamental defect in proceedings. But they just, you know, I read this out on the record. They told me it's not a court of record. Well, I told them I didn't recognise the jurisdiction of the court anyway, but they just carry on regardless. Yeah. But I mean, you can understand it from their point of view, because they're never going to roll their hands up to what they're doing. Never. It's up to the people to stop this, what's going on.
Yeah.
But I've just documented it as best I can, and that's all you can do.